Hello again, everyone, especially to those who are looking for a job. We have a hotel job scheduled for interview tomorrow, 4:30. That will be a Wednesday. So this hotel is located in Sunto district in Shizuoka Prefecture. So we're looking for 2 to 3 people for this job. We are looking for a hotel staff, includes front office and also hotel cleaning job and bed making. So the salary for this is from 217,000 yen up, and this does not have a bonus, but since the interview is direct to the company employer, so you can negotiate for that during the interview. And the company is also providing free dormitory for this or apartment. So if you are willing to apply for this hotel operation job located in Shizuoka Prefecture, this is scheduled for interview tomorrow, Wednesday, at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So please comment down below if you are willing to apply for this job. Thank you.